Manuel, assim. Não. Step off the train, walking down the street again. That's your door. Now you don't live there anymore. It's years since you've been there, and you disappeared somewhere, like outer space. Found some bed to play, and I miss you, like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, like the deserts miss the rain. To be there, you always were 2 steps ahead of everyone. We walked behind while you would run. At your house, I can almost hear you shout down to me, where I always used to be, and I miss you, like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you. Deserts miss the rain. Back on the train, I ask, why did I come again? And I confess, been hanging around your old address, and the years have proved you offer nothing since you moved. You're long gone, but I can move on. And you know what? And I miss you, like the deserts miss the rain. And I love you, like the deserts miss the rain. Step off the train, walking down your street again. That's your thought. Yeah, I guess you don't live there anymore. Years since you've been there, now you've disappeared somewhere, like outer space. Found some better place, and I miss you, like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, like the deserts miss